from our logo, the round circle actually represents the Zen or the Deming wheel. Deming wheel, which is also known as the PDCA cycle. So the objective behind our activities for this project are based on convenience by integrating the ideas of continuous improvement. So for the purpose of this project, we touched upon 3 areas of the ZABZEN campus which we selected for bringing about this improvement. I will be talking about 2 of these areas and my colleague will be touching upon the rest of them. So the first idea is that of reimagining the notice boards. During the course of our entire presentation and our execution, you will realize that we have used the PDCA cycle or the Deming wheel in order to plan, execute and sustain all of our ideas. In terms of the notice boards, the first thing that we did was to plan and identify the problem that was being faced. And the problem over here is inconvenience in using these notice boards. In the first step, what we actually did was that we conducted a survey in 50 students around the campus, and we found out that there are 3 critical areas where the notice boards are lagging behind. And one of them was that they are not attractive. Secondly, they were untidy or unkempt. And the third one is that they were not sorted. So what did we do? We used the ideas of 5S and the methodology of 5S to bring about this improvement. We sorted all of the notices that were present. We got rid or disposed of the existing or the expired notices, and we cleaned the notice boards. We set up LED lighting in order to illuminate those notice boards so that it provides convenience to the students who are looking at these notice boards at the night time. In order to standardize our improvement, what we did was that we developed a standard operating procedure which was handed over to the academics department in order to maintain and sustain the improvements. As you can see, this was how the notice boards at 90 campus looked before, and this is how they looked. We have put up labels and categorized all the notices according to the faculty. These are the notice boards at 100 campus, and these are at 154 campus. So the second area that I would like to talk about is the floor map. For the purpose of this, the main objective behind setting up a floor map is to provide convenience and to eliminate the muda of motion. So the purpose of setting up this floor map is to basically provide convenience to the students who are entering into the university for the first time or are new entrants, faculty members who have recently joined, or visitors who are visiting the campus for the first time. The floor map has been located at a destination which is very convenient and is visible. As you can see from this picture, we have set up this near the entrance of 100 campus. We have illuminated the floor map in order to provide convenience at night so that it is visible and illuminated. The floor map also highlights all the important or the mostly used spaces around the campus, such as the washrooms, such as the ground area, the canteen, providing convenience to the students, the faculty members, and the faculty members. So for our future, what we plan to do is that right now it may not be perfect, but we are planning to install these floor maps on all the campuses around ZABZEN. And further on, my colleague Ferhan will be continuing.
Thank you, Zara. So moving on, I would just like to talk about another system that we developed. Again, following the same theme of convenience. This time, what we tried to target was the convenience for teachers as well as for students. And we developed a system called the Academics Assistance System, and I'll tell you a bit more about it in a bit. The challenge that we had that became the premise for this system was convenience inside classrooms. This would be convenience for the students as well as for the faculty. Now, how is this a challenge? We'll just show you in a video. Oh, there's sound. the sound? It's okay, just let it play. I'll explain it, let it play. It's okay. Yeah. What this video highlighted was the struggle that one of the students had to go through to assess the classroom technical difficulties which would arise during the classrooms. For example, if there's a projector not working or anything like that, the student or the faculty member had to run downstairs and call someone from the academics department in order to assess that problem. And we completely eliminated that through our system. This is the system that we placed for now at 90 campus. This is a call bell that has been placed in 2 classrooms, and that you see the digital dashboard, that's the panel that we placed in the academics office. How this works is that whenever there's an emergency in the classroom or any assistance that's required, the teacher is authorized to press that bell, and once that bell is pressed, the classroom number is highlighted on that panel there, so that the academic people sitting there are highlighted what class has the problem and they can attend to it directly. Each panel or each classroom has a separate reset button. So in case multiple classrooms have problem at the same time, the academics can attend to them one by one, and as they attend them, they can keep resetting the switches as well. The last thing that we would like to conclude on is that apart from the convenience and the theme that we were following in the areas we worked on, we also tried to create a community for ZABZEN. Now the purpose of this community was that to create a platform for people to share their ideas about Kaizen from wherever they are. Maybe they're in ZABZEN or anywhere else, they can share their ideas and build a bigger community fostering the idea of Kaizen. And again, lastly, I would like to thank everyone from my class, and especially our sponsors, Studs Helmets and International Automotive Engineers Private Limited. These are people from our class, so round of applause for them. Thank you so much. And last but not least, just one more thank you note to our teachers and especially the faculty and the administrative support at ZABZEN and the academics department. They've assisted us a lot, and in all this setup, it wasn't easy. We had to run after the electricians for 5 days, 2 weeks at least, and it was done. And this is our team finally, and I guess that's it. Thank you.
Very well presented.